Hey guys, this is my option number 2 for a non-solder power tap for the AFX track. This one's pretty simple, pretty quick to do. So yeah, let's see how we go. First of all you need is 2 bits of track. I'm just going to join them. Now what we need to do is get a 2mm drill and we place it and we drill down behind each of the 4 spring connections. Place a 2mm drill, and that is for these little pins. These are from JCar. The red ones, the black ones I already had, but you don't need those obviously, but whatever works. And they're 2mm diameter. So we simply take our track, get our drill, make sure you got contact against the rail, drill straight through the plastic. Behind this one, again, push against the rail till you're through. Other side, and again. Okay, that's it for that bit. Pull them apart, blow out the debris. Now we just need to check, get rid of any burrs inside. So we might need a knife just to clear out any parts off the plastic so it's not touching the rail. So we don't want those in there. I'll pause while I clean those out. Okay, so I've cleared out my holes, and we can turn this over now. You can see where the holes come through in each piece in the plastic. Alright, and what we do is take our pin and we can push it through the hole, give it a little twist if it needs it, and that will be a nice tight fit up against the spring connection of the rail. Alright, now obviously these are too long, so we can cut those back. Alright, it's pretty simple to do. And we'll just do the different ones for each hole. And they're a very snug fit in the plastic, and that'll hold it nice and secure. So we'll remove those ones, and just like a cooking show, here's one I prepared earlier. So what I've done, you take your wire, we've shortened 3 of these already, and we just use hot melt glue behind there to keep the wire in place. Again, no solder. If you wanted to, and I have done this, if you've got a soldering iron, this still works well. You just put the heat up the tip and put the solder down the eye of the pin, and that'll hold it in place instead of using hot melt glue. But yeah, this is the no solder option, so we're just going to glue these in place. So this is one I haven't changed, so I'm going to do that now. So with the wire running through the pin, these need to be about 6mm long. So first I'm just going to cut it back with the wire in place, just with clippers. Re-round it out with pliers. That's it. Now, I'll just check my length. It is just over 6. So I'm just going to polish that back a little bit with a wheel. Should be enough. Check my length. Yeah, 5.5. That's fine. I'm just going to get a file. Make sure that that's got a nice chamfer in it to go back through the hole. Should still be connected in. If you have to cut the wire back, you can. Alright, now just get my hot glue. A little dab on the back. Like that. Smooth it out if we need to. Don't burn your finger. Okay, there's my 4 wires. Alright, now we're connected. All we have to do, put them through each hole. Hopefully this will work smoothly. 1. These ones are a little bit trickier. You got to push the tab a little bit. 2. Again, you can use red, black. Makes it a little bit easier. All through. Now obviously we need to make sure, oh, this one's still too long. You can see that sticking up through the rail. You've got to make sure that they are below the rail line, obviously. I'll just pause again while I shorten this. Okay, so I've shortened that pin. And again, make sure that they don't stick through in the connection point. All right, all that's left to do now is check for our connectivity with our multimeter. And our wires. Yep, perfect. As you can see the gauge. Wrong one. There we go. That's one. Next one. Beautiful. Just go on the tab there. Yep, perfect. All right, so that's it. That's really easy. All right, really, really easy. Cheap. These pins cost absolutely nothing. Okay, really, really easy power to. Obviously, this is for a permanent setup, so the wires can go through the track. I've got one more, which is similar to my one I did photos of, for a non-permanent. All right, thanks, guys.